So here they have printed my name.
And also I have an official booklet with me.
We have ID card.
A couple of snacks that they've given.
Hello everyone. The moment we have been waiting for is finally here.
So as we are moving closer to our International Immersion Program to Russia, hosted by the Office of International Relations IIM Sambalpur in collaboration with Movsta.
So today we received this parcel. So let's open this kit and look what's inside.
I can see this box looks pretty good.
First, you have received an amazing t-shirt.
Oh, the print is really amazing. I can see the Office of International Relations logo, Movsta, and as you can see the print over here. It looks very good and it's written in Odia as well, the Indian way.
Next we have our ID card with our photo.
They've also given us an official booklet where they've mentioned each and everything of our entire trip.
Some peanuts, some chocolates, some snacks.
Here we have our flight tickets.
Also there's a pretty bookmark here as well. So you can see the photo over here.
So here is a customized greeting for us.
And finally, there's a thank you note which has been written in English, Odia and 9 other languages, which is thank you, Dhanyavado in Odia. Thank you so much team. And Movsta, we are really grateful that you made the process so seamless and we didn't face any hurdles during our entire process. Thank you so much for being with us and we are looking forward to the trip.